So this is the call for National Council for Hotel Management and Catering Technology. So this is the call for applying post of senior PA. Okay, senior pay band is 4,600. So number of vacancies 1, age limit is not exceeding 56 years. So required eligibility is officers holding the post of stenographer under the central government or autonomous body or PSU. Okay, mode of selection is interview, discussion other suitability. So total 50 marks. So personal injury, discussion, upper grading or last 5 years. Holding analogous post of regular basis in the press and cadre or department or with the 5 years regular services in the stenographer grade. Next is second one is lecturer web and 2 for teaching MSc HA program running in the NCHM campus Noida. Direct recruitment, number of opening is 2 vacancies, not exceeding 40 years. Educational qualification is post graduation in hospitality to tourism or MBA from the recognized university institute, and full time degree, full time 3 years diploma in hotel administrative hospitality management, hotel management, hospitality and administration. So the mode of selection is written test followed by the teaching aptitude test. So test is totally 80 MCQ. Okay. Next, assistant director. Okay. Assistant director by band 2, direct recruitment opening is 1, not exceeding 40 years. Essential qualification, full time degree in full time 3 years diploma in hotel administration, hospitality management, hotel management, hospitality management, culinary arts, culinary science with minimum of 55% marks in the aggregate or its equivalent grade. So selection is written test. Okay, followed by personal interview discussion. So next, accountants is a direct recruitment, 2 vacancies, not exceeding 32 years. Essential qualifications, graduate in commerce with 5 years experience in the commercial organization or education institution or government office, or the SAS accountants and 2 years with 2 years experience. Mode of selection is written test followed by personal interview discussion. Next is stenographer grade C, direct recruitment opening is 1, not exceeding 32 years. Essential qualification is graduate of a recognized university with a shorthand speed of 100 to 120 WPM in the English and typing respectively. Mode of selection written test followed by shorthand speed typing skill test. So is librarian and information assistant, direct recruitment, post vacancy is 1, not exceeding 30 years. Essential qualification is degree in library science from the recognized university or graduate with a diploma in library science from the recognized university. So mode of selection written test for 100 MCQ questions. So the application should be addressed to the director on the above superscripting top of the envelope. Application for the post of the particular what is post. Application along the enclosure must reach in the council by 28 January 2022 positively. No DAD is paid. The council reserves the right to shortlist applications, fill or not be fill any vacancy. Candidates who will wish to apply the more than one post should apply the separate for each category of post. Okay. This is the National Council for Hotel Management Catering to Noida application format. This is the application format. Thank you.